everyone, I'm Jefferson Gonzaga. I will be your clinical instructor for today, and I will teach you on how to administer a medication via NGT or nasal gastric tube. Administering through nasal gastric tube is a process. Administer oral medication through a NGT or nasal gastric tube instead of mouth. This is given for the patient that is having problem of difficulty of swallowing or dysphagia, patient who has a stroke, and patient who has a paralysis. So first, we should secure our equipment. What we need is our client's Cardex. Then, followed by the medication that is prescribed. Our medication for today is atorvastatin, which is given for patients who has high cholesterol. Next is medication cup, water and fluids, mortar and pestle for crushing the tablet or the medication. Then our disposable gloves. Next is a large syringe. It could be our Asempo syringe. And if possible, small syringe for liquid medication. But our medication for today is a tablet, so large syringe is enough. So, last one is our stethoscope for the checking of placement. So next, the very first thing that we will do is confirm the medication. And let's check it on the patient's card deck, or it can be also checked for the patient's chart. Okay, for the confirmation, let's go. Our medication for today is atorvastatin. The dosage is 40 milligrams. Then, if you are going to give more than one medication to your patient, make sure that they are compatible. So there will be no adverse effect that might happen to our patient. Be sure to administer the correct medication and the correct dosage to the correct client. Okay? So after checking the Cardex, so the next thing that we will do is check for allergies. If the patient has no allergy, usually it is indicated in the patient's chart. Okay? You cannot administer medication to a patient which previously experienced an allergy reaction. Okay? Then, so the very first thing that we will do is perform a hand hygiene. Ideally, it is the best thing is hand washing. So for today, I'll just use rubbing alcohol. Then, always remember, because of the pandemic, we should always put our PPE to prevent the spread of infection. And the very next thing that we will do is introduce ourselves. Good morning, ma'am. I am Jeff. I will be your nurse for today. Okay, and you are? Yes, you are Miss Rosalia B. Cruz, and your birthday is? Yes, October 15. Okay. So, ma'am, I will first assemble our equipment because we will give you your medication for today via NGT, or this tube that is placed in your nose. Okay? So, always remember that we should always consider the 10 rights of medication for the patient. What we will do is explain this procedure, right? So, ma'am, I will give you your medication for today, which is atorvastatin. This one, because based on the laboratory, you have a high cholesterol. So, this medication helps you to lower your cholesterol. So, after that, I will put on my gloves. To maintain the standard precaution, which is indicated to avoid possibility of infected by any body fluids or secretion. It is a protection to yourself and protection to your patient. Then, the next thing that we will do is check the placement. As I said, based on my lecture, I told you guys to remember what acronym? ASAPS. Aspiration, submersion, auscultation, and X-ray. So for the very thing that we will do for today is the very basic one, which is we will auscultate. Okay? So what do we need for auscultation? The very thing that we need is just the asepto syringe and our stethoscope. So ma'am, I will check for your NGP placement. Okay. And after checking, you will expect a gurgling or whooshing sound. Okay, after checking the placement of the NGT, pinch it or clamp it before administering the medication. Okay, then after that, okay, so our tablet is already crushed by our mortar and pestle. Then, let's recap our asepto syringe and remove the plunger or the bulb. Always remember to maintain the clamp so no air will go inside. Then after that, the first thing that we will do is pour a water. Then after we already crush the tablet using our mortar and pestle, we will place it in the medication cap. Then after that, we will put it in the asepto syringe or the syringe with the 30 ml of water. Then release and let it flow freely. So if the medication does not flow or it stop, we could always recap our bulb or plunger and push it gently. Then, after you have administered the medication, flush the tube with 50 to 30 ml. Always remember, kink again. Then, after we flush it with water, to clear the tubing and decrease the chance of tubing becoming clogged. Okay? So, next is to clamp the tubing and remove the syringe. Okay? To prevent the medication and the water from escaping. Okay? So, next, let's move it back. Okay? Then, assist the client for a comfortable position. Then, then after everything that is done, never forget to do hand hygiene, and lastly is to document on the patient's chart. After that, I think that's all. That's how you give a medication to your patient via NGT. Thank you.